Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a custom integration in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the top left, click on your company or username. Now click on integrations. Now in here, just scroll all the way down and find embedded apps, create an embedded app. Okay, click on the plus sign. Now go ahead and give it a name. For example, a sample embed. Okay, now once that's done, get your URL and paste that in here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and type down https sample.url. Okay, now in here, add to. You got to add this one to one of your records. Okay, if you have the paid account, projects and leads will be added right here. So just for example, I'm going to be using people, and the locations could be at a sidebar, profile, activity panel, action bar, or left navigation. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and click on left navigation. There you go. And the icon would be, for your specific app, it would be this plus record button. Okay. If you want to add an optional advanced configuration, you can go ahead and do that in here. If not, just hit on save. Now, once that's done, as you can see here, embedded app has been created and it refreshed the website or Copper website. So let's just go ahead and test it out. Okay. And as you might have noticed here in the left panel, you now have the sample embed or the custom integration. Okay, just click on it just for you to see, and it will just open up the URL that is tied to the integration that you just created. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.